What's up, guys? It's your girl Ray here, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to the lovely family. Hi guys. Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? It's your girl Ray here, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am starting this video with my eyebrows already done. I didn't actually draw anything on them. I literally just used the first concealer I could find, which was one of my NARS concealers. I just put that around my eyebrows and I shaped them. That's pretty much it. So if you want tutorials on how to do your eyebrows, this is not the channel for you, because I don't draw them, and when I do, I mess them up and I usually take it off and just do the concealer. This video, if you can't already tell by the title, is gonna be soft, subtle makeup that is for church. My eyebrows are done. My skin is already moisturized, so I feel like something that might be best for this is to apply all of your concealer and brightening mist underneath your foundation. That way it'll give you kind of sort of more of a natural look. So I'm gonna go into my Makeup Forever palette, and this is the Pro Sculpting palette. Clearly it's you can see what I use out of this. So I'm gonna use this though because it's really bright. So now that I have that on, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Mocha. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit more concealer on top. Now I'm going to go into my random palette and take this powder here. This is the Almar Contour Blush Palette. So I'm taking this top center shade and I'm using that to set my under eyes T-zone. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to take that same palette. I'm going to go to the lower center. This is the same color as my Black Radiance Black Coffee press powder. And I'm going to use this to do this. That is a lie. I'm going to go into my Black Radiance. Both of them are actually pretty red, so one is just more red than the other. So, you know, picking the less of two evils here. I'm gonna go back into the top and chisel myself out. And one of the last things I'm gonna do to my face right now is set it with my Laura Mercier, and I'm setting my entire face. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a concealer, and I'm going to use my concealer this time to prime my eyelids. I'm going to take my Morphe M433 and I'm going into my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to the second to last row, and I'm going to take the third from the right shade, and I'm going to blend that shade into my crease. And then I'm going to take an even fluffier blending brush. This is the Wet n Wild blending brush. Same color. I'm just going to lightly blend this over top of what I already applied. And then I'm also going to blend it upwards. I'm going to take this same palette and I'm going to go to the very top right hand corner, and I'm going to take this gold sparkly gold shimmery shade, and I'm not going to wet my blending brush or anything. I'm not going to wet my flat brush or anything, and I'm just going to put this onto my lid. I take a pencil brush, and on the opposite end of that palette, the second from left shade, it's a lighter gold and it's a shimmer. I take that and I use that as my inner corner highlight, as well as my brow bone highlight. And lastly, I'm going to take my eyeliner. And I just draw a little modest wing. The last thing for the eyes is going to be the eyelashes, of course. These are my e.l.f. eyelashes that I'm going to be putting on. So while my lash glue dries, I'm going to go back to my face. I'm going to go back and at this point I'm going to apply my blush, which is also in that same random palette from before, and I mix both of them. I dot the apples of my cheeks because that's my starting point. And then I blend it backwards. I feel like that looks so much more flattering on me. And now that I'm done with that, I move on to my face highlight, which is actually, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. as soon as I unlock it. And before that completely dries, I'm going to go into my favorite gold shade in my Sephora Illuminizing palette and highlight my face. And for my lips, I'm taking my Ulta Super Shiny Lip Gloss. Instead, I'm going to go with my Sephora lipstick. It's a cream lip stain in the color 26. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments if you liked it. Let me know what else you would like to see from me in the future. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.